To modify our company's trucks and materials and everything else that's logged in the system, we press the pencil sign down in the lower left. And here we can manage users, trucks, materials, and companies. For example, if we went and wanted to add a truck that was coming in, we can give them a name like John Doe Trucking, a target weight of 1,000 pounds, and what his plate number may be, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We press add. We can see by scrolling over, we now have John Doe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as the license plate with a load of 1,000 pounds. We can also edit like our truck 1 by sliding to it, hitting the edit button, and now we're going to change this to be 1,500 pounds. So now we have a max load of 1,500 pounds for that truck. You can also add materials. Here we've got dirt, we've got topsoil. If we wanted to add one, let's say we wanted to do a sand, and we select that picture, and we've got a let's say we calculated 1,225 pounds per yard as our density. That way it'll convert from weight to volume. As you can see, our sand right there. Going back to the home screen. Now we can change to the truck that we've set up, and it automatically changes the target value. We can also change our topsoil by pressing and selecting the material. So we'll go ahead and set it to sand. Now, if I start the machine up, I've got John Doe set up. If I go and raise a bucket full of material, I swing over, I dump 198 pounds into his truck, I hit the plus. You can see the green status bar. Hit the plus. You can see it's getting to the yellow. We just exceeded our 999 pound threshold. As you see, it's indicated in orange. Now I'll hit save. That load has been logged. Had we had the printing function in a printer, it would have shown up with a printer icon and it would have printed a ticket. We are now ready to go on to the next load. One other feature that I'd like to talk about is as machines need maintenance, lubrication, oil filter changes, if you find that you're consistently off by a certain percentage, you can apply a correction factor here. So if you find that after you load a truck or a few trucks, you're consistently 10% high because they went over a truck scale, you could put in a positive or negative correction value. So here, let's say we were running 10% high, we would put in 10% and save. That's it.